Okay, today we've got a tool from real Avid called the Smart Lock Bore Guide. Great for cleaning rifles. If you're like me, I try to clean every time I shoot, and there's usually a lot of rifles to do, and just this tool makes it easier, so you don't have to kind of take the gun all the way apart and hold it and try to do something with one arm and then something with the other arm. Anyway, so it just makes it a little bit better. And so what it is it's basically two pieces. Okay, you have this, which will go into the barrel and bore, excuse me, the barrel and the chamber, and then this lock will actually, the rear takedown pin will hold it in place, and the two just connect together like this. So what we do, I always put a cloth in the front here to make sure we don't scratch the gun on the vise. Let it go forward. Then I've learned if I stick it together, put it down into the barrel, lower it down, put your rear pin back in, and it holds it just like so. If you have a lower bench, it's going to be a bit easier, but at this point, you can actually just, if you wanted to lubricate your barrel, you can just put some lubrication here, keeping in mind, of course, it could, roll out the back end or the front end. You can take your, at this point, your rod and use the tool to guide the rod down without it scraping either side. So it gives you a great little kind of tunnel, holds the rod in place, it'll make sure that the pad works the barrel evenly all the way through. Great little tool, not overly expensive. Once you're done with that, it's very, very simple to remove. Pop your pin out. Put your charging handle back. Put your bolt carrier group back. Put her back down into place. That's it. Very simple, very easy to use. If you like the video, please hit subscribe. Click the little bell icon for updates as the new videos come out. We got more and more coming down the lines.